Hi, I'm Philomena from Chicago, and I'm here at Dillman's Resort. My first time visiting this awesome place during September, taking an art workshop, nature sketching with Pam Luer, and I've had the best time.
Yeah, the palette is really dreamy. That's lovely.
Went online and read about Pam, and it just intrigued me to come to this beautiful place and do outdoor sketching and learn from a very accomplished artist.
This is a really good way to start a workbook, a sketchbook, is to just experiment.
So what I learned about Pam from the website is there was a nice video describing the program and another person who had taken the workshop.
It's been a really positive, really fun experience.
And the grounds looked lovely, and Pam's approach was very easygoing and collaborative and inclusive and didn't feel intimidating. So I thought, oh, this feels like a very natural place to be. So if you're considering joining Pam's workshop, I would say for sure sign up. Pam's lovely. She laid out all her workbooks and shared all of her materials and instruction, and took time in the morning to make sure people could ask questions and see demos and just customize it to each individual's needs.
You guys are being way more bold today. I don't know if you can see it or feel it, but it's great.
It's been a great experience. I've had the best time. I would highly recommend coming to Dillman's and taking a workshop with Pam.
So thank you guys very much.